Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I'm gonna do unboxing on another Louis Vuitton bag. So this bag is one of my favorite bags ever, that I pick it from thousands of choices, so I'm gonna share it with you. Hey كرات حواتكم قاعدة حد متأخن سمي إيدن بحال لو ما عندخاني كالوت كامباني مالتيو زي بورساناي لويس فيتان سيدوم لي سو مساحات كن شركة قبلي unboxing قبلي قال إيه كنين تايكم مسمس. I do love how they professionally pack it, and this is like magnetic. See, it's like a magnet. See, it's a magnet. So as usual, it comes with a bag, and then it comes with my receipt, authentication card. You got everything in here, and then I got the Louis Vuitton ribbons that I love so much. I always keep them. If you want to give it a gift, you can. And then the bag is like comes like this. This is my receipt. So this is the plastic I'm gonna remove, and then there is a dust bag comes with it with the company mark. And then the bag is, oh my goodness, I love pink. This is so girly, you guys. This is so girly. You have to remove it. Okay, كبرات حوات كم ستريو زلغن نز بورصة مالتيو مس ستايوز مت داست باك طبق يوم يوم تسدوا الكمالات تسدوا خلو مس باغالو ولا the authentication card له receipt كان بيني مت ريبن له مس كتبوا تريخا gift مالتيو እንደገና ፒንክ መሪጽ ማለት ካብዝ ሁሉ ብዙ ጊዜ ወዲ ላይክ መርጽ actually because sometimes አንስ ኳሊንቲ ፎቶ መስል ከን ፍሊ ደበለ ነገር ምሻለክ ሓደ አይነት ከም ናይ ኩሉ ሰብ ደይኮነስ ሰብ ዘይ ገወሮ ውጭ ናቲ ጠባይ ማለት ኩሉ ጊዜ ፍሊ ደበለ ካትኮኒ ጥቦ በርኩል ሰብ ሓደ አይነት ሂዙ ከይት ሳይፈትኝ ይባል ካብ ቀደም ካብ ዲሽ ይባል. Okay guys, I really like unique stuff. I don't like anything like trendy. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Everything is covered professionally. Let's open. It's a magnetic, you guys. You see? It's so nice. Always, I do love their packaging. Gotta remove all these things, and it comes with a string. Oh, I love it. And another authentication card. Also, it has a little belt. I think it is for your key or something like that. I can show you. Let's see if I can open it with my nails. So probably this is for something. I figure it out for what. And then the inside is a suede, you guys. I am a suede lover. This is brown suede. This is very professional, you guys. Wow. And it has a pocket here, a zipper pocket that you can put anything like your wallet and everything. This would be good for professional interview work or anything whenever you go somewhere very classy, or whenever you go to date with your husband or boyfriend or whatever. It is so pretty, and I do love the authenticity card. I always keep it in my zipper. And it smells so good, you guys. I love the smell of leather. It is pretty long. Oh, you know what? It has a what is that called? A snap here. So if you want it, like, you can snap it. I like it snapped. You see this one? So beautiful. So this is how you do it. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love pink, you guys, especially now. I don't know what it is. I love girly things. Wow. Or you can see. Now you can see. See, or so pretty. This is cute for dress up days, you guys. This is very quality. I mean, this is if you can see the laser, and if you can see it, hold on. And I love stitches and the details. It's just perfect. See, it's perfect. So this is gonna be my special, special bag. Whenever I go somewhere very important, I'm gonna wear it. So beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. It's ቦርሳ በጣም ከምዚ ሃይ ክላስ ስለ ዝኾነ ኣብ ስፔሻል ቦታታት ክኸድ ከለኹ ጥራይ ክጥቀመሉ። Okay guys, this special LV bag is made of 100% genuine leather, and inside is suede. It's made as the same as the original. The original is over $1,600, and this one is only $382 plus they offer $20 off for you, just for you. So check it out, okay? كبرت حوات استريو زلكم بورصة مالتيو تي أوريجينال شحن شو تشميتين يواجو كون العلم مالتيو إذا قاني 380 كلتن دسيم كم ناتهم غيرهم يمسري حمو سو كنا قرأكني ليك أنا محيج حد سكناني يركن سو أوريجينال يكونن جن لك كم غيرهم مسرحوا مالتيو حصور كمان يكونن 380 كلتن دحريك إسرع الشخانة أوف غيرهم الكنا له مالتيو سو تشيك برا أميخن. So this is a great bag, you guys. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Okay, كبرات حوات انت فتحنا أخونكن مالتي ناتهم information أبسي description box قد فلكمي ناتهم نقول لي أفتني comment أو بقول لكم. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much. كبرات حوات زي أني راني لومي فتكون أختكم تسفان داقوركو أزمت جزيخ سعزريكن دحنكنيا. I love you all so much.